Did you know that owls possess some of the most extraordinary adaptations in the animal kingdom? Beyond their silent flight and piercing gaze, these nocturnal hunters have evolved incredible abilities that make them true masters of the night. First, owls can't actually move their eyeballs. Their large eyes are tube-shaped and fixed in bony sockets, providing exceptional telescopic vision. To compensate for this immobility, owls have an astonishing ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees in either direction. This incredible flexibility is thanks to having 14 neck vertebrae, twice as many as humans, and specialized blood vessels that ensure continuous blood flow to their brains, even during extreme turns. But their vision is only one part of their hunting arsenal. Many owl species have ears positioned asymmetrically on their heads, with one ear opening higher than the other. Combined with their dish-shaped facial feathers that act like a satellite dish, this asymmetry allows them to create a precise 3D sound map, pinpointing prey in complete darkness with an accuracy that's truly mind-blowing. They can detect a time difference in sound reaching their ears as small as 30 millionths of a second. And how do they get close enough without being heard? Owls are masters of silent flight. Their unique feathers have comb-like serrations on the leading edge, a velvety surface, and a soft fringe on the trailing edge. These adaptations break up air turbulence and absorb sound, allowing them to glide almost noiselessly through the air. This stealth isn't just to surprise prey. It also allows the owl to hear the tiny sounds of its target over its own wing beats, making them the ultimate stealth predators. So from their unmoving telescopic eyes and incredible neck rotation, to their asymmetrical ears that create a 3D sound map, and their impossibly silent flight, every aspect of an owl's anatomy is finely tuned for nocturnal hunting. They truly are living marvels of evolution, perfectly adapted to rule the night. Want to learn more fascinating facts about the natural world? Visit Sikho.ai.